Today we will be working on an art exercise together. I found this whole process very therapeutic. This whole experience allows you to design and create with no restrictions. We will be designing each of these blocks with elements that we truly connect with. So let's begin. We will need very basic materials for today's session: scale, pencils, eraser, brushes, paints of your choice, and an art paper. We have an A4 size sheet. Let's begin with marking borders, 1 centimeters across all sides. I need 6 blocks of 8 by 8 centimeters. You can choose any given size according to your needs. Now carefully erase to lighten down the pencil marks, because once the watercolor shading comes over these, the pencil marks cannot be erased. Load up your brush generously with a lot of paint and slowly drag your brush downward. Make sure this is done in one direction only, exactly the way I have done it in this green slab. It kind of allows your block to have a dark to light shaded effect. It also helps if you add a lot of water or dab your paintbrush onto a towel or tissue. It creates a lovely gradient effect. This is a very therapeutic technique, so there is no right or wrong way of doing it. So no fussing, allow yourself to enjoy the whole process. Now each of these blocks will define our love towards certain elements that bring us true joy. So choosing your shades definitely matters. I have selected peach yellow, blue, purple, green and turquoise blue. Something that's definitely relaxing and de-stressing. So here we are ready to begin with designing each of our slabs. So let's start with the peach one. My recent love for peach has absolutely elevated. This one will have few simple mandalas. So let's begin with creating circles with an object. Draw as many of them as you wish. I have 5 full circles and 3 half ones onto the edges to create a continuity. Moving on to the yellow one, I have decided to do a hand lettering onto the slab with a favorite quote of mine, something that's very inspiring, trying to fit it within the block itself. If a little peeks around, it's absolutely fine. The blue theme is going to be more of a travel theme, something that I absolutely love and intend to do more often. This is going to be a very simple one. I'm trying to design something within a triangle. So let's see how that turns out. You can come up with your own theme or element that you truly connect with. Let's relax and de-stress during this creative process. Make sure you choose a comfortable and a relaxing spot to try out this therapeutic technique. If you enjoyed your experience with us, we would love to hear from you. Do share, like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Also click on that icon button for notifications on our latest videos. We have some lovely stuff lined up for you. Stay tuned, stay inspired. Lots of love from Just About Art.